Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to find saved items on the ZARA app. If you have bad items you love but can't seem to locate them later, this step-by-step guide will help you. Now let's get started. First of all, open your ZARA app. Make sure that you are already logged in. Now on your screen you can see account in bottom right corner. Tap on it. This will open your account, and here you can see favorites as your second option. Tap on it. And here you can view list of all items that you have saved while browsing. From this list you can tap on any item to view its details such as sizes or colors available. If you no longer want an item to be saved, simply tap on saved icon again to remove it from your saved items. Like this, and it's removed. And that's how you can find your saved items on the ZARA app. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next one.